O General, the brand name in air conditioning. We have been cooling the Middle East since 1971. Introducing the Tropical Innovation Series, Premium Wall-Mounted. Creation of comfort. O General by Fujitsu General Limited, located in Japan, creates a revolution in air conditioning tailored to the Middle East market. The development of a new wall series was based on extensive research by thoroughly studying the climate of the Middle East, operability, energy consumption, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. The Tropical Innovation Series, Premier Wall Mounted. The Tropical Innovation Series has the attractive features of powerful airflow, 6-speed control, powerful cooling and high energy efficiency ratio, unified chassis, environmentally friendly refrigerant R410A, powerful airflow is one of the main highlights across the product range. Resulting in cooling longer distances to an industry-leading distance of 25 meters. The powerful airflow system cools rooms 18% faster than ever before. The technology that produces high air volume includes optimized airflow design, new aerodynamic shape crossflow fan, powerful DC fan motor, dual suction intake design. All these innovative technologies come together, resulting in high airflow volume. Furthermore, introducing 6-speed control remote controller with 5-fan speed mode and powerful mode. Fan speed mode starts from quiet to super high in 5 incremental steps. In addition, a powerful cooling fan operation button is also available. This one-touch powerful cooling button cools the room faster than ever before. Powerful cooling and high energy efficiency ratio. There has been a dramatic increase of cooling capacity by 10%. On the other hand, high energy efficiency ratio has been achieved across the product range with 5-star energy ratings. Even in the extreme conditions of the Middle East, the new wall series can deliver powerful cooling continuously with Fujitsu General technology. As technology in the indoor unit, a lender shape heat exchanger has been adopted. On the outdoor unit, we have introduced innovations like a large heat exchanger with blue fin, environmentally friendly refrigerant R410A, aerodynamic shaped large propeller fan, and a high-performance fan motor. The adoption of a unified chassis across the range for 18,000 BTU, 24,000 BTU, 30,000 BTU, and for 36,000 BTU provides uniformity in interior design. The unified chassis lineup is available from 18,000 BTU to 36,000 BTU. O General Elegant Design, the new wall-type air conditioner, Tropical Innovation Series, premium wall-mounted, from Fujitsu General.